These little one-piece rompers have always been my favorite travel outfit. And this one here is probably the best one yet. So check this out. It is a one piece, but it has that built-in shapewear in it and that ribbed fabric that is going to be compression tight, but it has those vertical lines. So you're gonna look a lot thinner wearing this. No bra needed with this one because there is some padding. Don't like padding, just take the padding out. But huge fan of the back. The back is amazing. I have some scarring on my back, so this is amazing. It hides everything, and I like how tall it is in the back. Also, the length on here is fantastic. So I'm 5'8" and I do weigh 155 pounds. The length on here is fantastic. It goes almost all the way to the ground. I would throw on some crew socks and some super cute white sneakers, and this outfit is gonna just speak for itself. Pretty slimming here, and the backside is going to be almost lifted. No cellulite or anything that you can see. This is going to be the perfect workout outfit, or I love to travel in these. And pretty much you can dress this up with like a flannel. You can throw on a different top. You can throw on some sneakers, some flats. It's a really versatile outfit. And I love that you don't have to wear a bra. And I love that kind of like hug you get from wearing shapewear, and this totally provides that. So again, does run true to size, has that removable padding, full back, full length, vertical compression lines that make you look thinner, and it's multi-purpose. There are 3 colors too, so to see those colors, click that link.